Good morning, 7th class. Yesterday we discussed the format of personal letters. How to write a personal letter. We have discussed the format of it. Let us see it once again. It is on your screen. See it. So on the top from the left side you have to write the heading, and in heading it is the address of the writer who is writing the letter. Then second number, it is a salutation. Salutation means to whom we are writing the letter. It may be our father, it may be mother, brother, sister, or any friend. So we have to write the same. Dear father, dear mother, dear brother, dear sister, dear friend, dear Mohan, Rita, it may be any. Then comes the body of the letter. In body, whatever matter we want to discuss with our relative, with our friend, that matter we have to write. And then downside, it's subscription. In subscription, you have to write yours lovingly, yours affectionately, your loving son, your loving daughter, and then signature downside means the name of the writer in his own hand, his or her own hand. Okay, so it is the format of the personal letter. So we have discussed that it has the main parts are heading, salutation, body, subscription, and signature, right? One super subscription was also there, but it was on the envelope. Now let us today discuss some languages how to write a personal letter. Let us see some demo. Okay, now see here personal letter number 1. Bhaskar has sent a telegram to his friend Rahul congratulating him on the marriage of his elder brother. Now he wants to explain what prevented him from attending the marriage. Write this letter. So what is the letter about? The letter is about that Bhaskar has sent a telegram to his friend Rahul to congratulate him on the marriage of his elder brother. And now he will explain the reason why he couldn't attend the marriage. So who will explain the reason? Bhaskar. So who is the writer here? The writer is Bhaskar. So Bhaskar will write his own address on the left hand side on the top of the page, right? So see what address he has written. 138 Church Road, Jhansi. It may be any address. Okay. First house number, then street, then city, then the date. We may write any date. Whatever month is going on, we will write the same date. Okay. So here is it written March 18, 20 and dash. So we can write the date of July, August, May, any date. And we will follow the method that is written in our school. Just as 4 July 2020, we follow this format. So in the same we will write. Then he is writing letter to his friend Rahul. So see the salutation. It is a salutation, Dear Rahul. So we generally write the first line starting that I am well here and hope the same for you. I am well here and hope the same for you. And here it is written, I am thankful to you for your kind invitation to attend the marriage of your elder brother. But I regret. Regret means I feel sorry. I could not be present, though I was very eager to do so. My absence must have disappointed you. Means you will be very disappointed when you came to know that I was not coming. So what reason Bhaskar has given? See on the next page. Yeah, it is on the top. Believe me, I would a sudden attack of influenza just when I wanted to leave for your place. I sent you a greeting telegrams congratulating you on the happy occasion, but this was no substitute for a visit. I hope you will excuse me for my inability. And downside, what he has written, yours sincerely. We can write yours lovingly also. And downside, the name of the writer. And who is the writer? It is Bhaskar. The writer is Bhaskar. So he has explained the reason that why he couldn't come, because he had a sudden attack of influenza. Therefore, he was not able to attend the marriage of his brother. Okay? So, very clear message, very clear language, very easy language he has used. And we have also used the same language. Okay? Now, see one more. Second number you see. Poonam received the gift of a bicycle from her uncle on her 11th birthday. She wants to write to him a letter of thanks, saying the gift will prove useful to her. Write this letter. So, who is to write the letter? Poonam will write the letter. To whom? To her uncle. And what is the occasion? It was the occasion of her birthday, and she received a gift from her uncle. So she will write a thanks letter to her uncle, saying the gift will prove useful to her. Okay? So this is the letter. Let us see how she has started. So on the top, Poonam will write her address. It is written here. See? It may be any address. If it is not given, we may write any address. Okay, I am not able to make it very big. So you see here. So Poonam receives the gift of a bicycle from her uncle. So she is going to write a letter now. So first of all, it is the address of Poonam. 56 Cross Road, Kapurthala, 15 Jan 2020. The address may be any, city may be any, date may be any, as per the requirement. Then, dear uncle, she is writing a letter to her uncle. Then, dear uncle, I am glad to receive the bicycle sent by you through rail on my 11th birthday. This is the most popular bicycle of India today. It is very expensive also. I wonder how you could guess what I wanted most. The cycle will save a lot of my time, which now goes waste in waiting for the local bus too. I shall be able to give more time to my studies and some other useful activities. Incidentally, the cycle will always remind me of your love for me, your only niece. Please accept my heartiest thanks for the present. Where are you and Auntie visiting us? We haven't met for a past 2 years. And downside it is yours affectionately, Poonam. Yours lovingly also we can write. So yours lovingly, yours affectionately, any matter you can write. They both are correct. So what Poonam has written, first of all, she was very happy to receive the gift on her birthday. Then she thanked uncle that it was really a nice gift and it was going to prove a very beneficial for her. So in this way she wrote her letter and she also thanked uncle for that valuable gift because it was very expensive also. So in this way we can write our feelings in the form of a letter. I think it's very easy. You can write them easily. If I give you some statement, yes, you can do. Now see one more. See it. Joseph lives in a hostel. He feels like joining a tour of some historical places in northern India being arranged by his school. He wants to write a letter to his father requesting him to permit him to join the tour and also to send him 500 rupees to meet the expenses. Write this letter. So, who will write the letter? Joseph will write the letter to his father. And what is the occasion? He wanted some money because he wanted to visit some historical places. Okay. So, as he is living in hostel, so he will write the address of his hostel. So, what he has written upside, see, 140 Patel Hostel, Model Public School, Nagpur. Then the date is there, November 19, 2020, or it may be any date. Then dear Papa, dear Father, any we can write. Our school is arranging a tour to some historical places in northern India. The touring party will consist of 20 students and a teacher. I feel like joining the tour. Now, second para. There are three things which make me feel like that. First, I have never been to this part of the country, so I shall have a chance to see new places and people. Second, I want a change from my daily routine of studies. I had to put in a lot of hard work for a recent test. Third, the tour is being led by our teacher of English, who believes in healthy recreation. His company will be a great pleasure. The cost of the tour is rupees 500. So in this way I have given all the detail. And who is I? Joseph. Joseph has given all the detail of the tour, what is the amount, who is going and where they are going. So he is requesting his father, I hope dear Papa, you will like me to join the tour. If so, please inform me and send me the money. So downside what he has written, your loving son you can write, yours lovingly, yours affectionately. All are correct. And down is the name Joseph. Okay. Now see one more. It is a question only for you and you will try to write it. Suresh and Joan are pen friends. Joan wants some information about Suresh regarding his studies, ambition, reading habits, hobbies, food habits and interest in games. Now Suresh wants to write a letter to his pen friend giving him the necessary information. Write this letter. So two friends are there, Suresh and John. And John wants some information from Suresh. Now Suresh will give some information. He will tell about himself. So the name of the city is not given, so Suresh can write the name of any city, any address he can write, any date he can write. And to whom he will write the letter? He will write the letter to John. So he can write, Dear John. In the starting he can thanks that on such and such date he wrote a letter and gave the information about himself. And now it is the turn of Suresh to give all the details about him. So one by one he can give all detail about his studies, about his ambition means the aim of life, about the reading habits, what he wants to read, what are the hobbies, what are the food habits and interest of games. So in this way, one by one, he can write all the things. Don't make it very lengthy, be prescribed and to the point. Okay, in this way you can write this letter, and I hope you will be able to finish it. So it's bye for today. Tomorrow we shall discuss the exercise. Bye students.